Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my technically second, but it's the first update for my 13 by Halloween project pan. Holy crap. I had to skip last month's update. Things got a little bit hectic here at home and everything is fine now, so I'm able to continue on with my project. I was using the products throughout, so this is just going to be 2 months of progress versus 1 month. I just could not get the video up. I had put this together and invited a bunch of my amazing YouTuber friends slash panners into this project, and thankfully every single one of them said yes. We have Lisa Stevens, Kaylee Baute, Love Heatherette, Much Tash, Kelly Gooch, Ccosmetic Chaos, Courtney K, all kinds of girls, and I will link everybody down below as always, so that way you guys can check them out. If you've come over from their channels, welcome. I hope you decide to stick around. This channel's a pretty good channel if I do say so myself. This project does end on or around Halloween, so let's just dive right into my update. The first product that I had was by Bath & Body Works. Yes, it's an old packaging, old AF. It is not bad, thank God, but I need to get this out of my collection. It's freaking old. This is the Bath & Body Works Coconut Mango Fragrance Mist, and when we started, we were up here at this line, and hello, and we are now down. Oh, I'm even farther. Oh my goodness, I have to remark this. This is where we are way down here, so apparently I did even better than I thought I was going to. My goal in this was to get to the bottom of the label, but if I do get to that point, I will continue on it. So anyway, that's my progress on that one, Babbles McGee. The next product that I have is by Perfectly Posh, and this is the Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream in the scent Down With Dirty, and it's a like mint lavender scent. I really enjoy the scent. Anyway, so when we started the project, it was way up here, and I am down to right about here. I do like it. Like I said, I have a bunch of these. The next product that I had was the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. This was in my Sephora Play, I think. It was just a deluxe size sample. At the start of the project, we were right here. It was an airless pump, so it pumped up instead, and it is completely gone. It literally, I didn't notice anything to do with my skin. So that is finally going in the empties bin and moving on to the next one. The next product that I have is the Verb Ghost Oil, and yes, I did associate this with Halloween. Do you get it? Yeah, ghost. All right, girl. And this, I do not like this. I just don't. I cannot find a way to use it that doesn't make me look like a greasy mess. Every time I put this in my hair, whether wet, dry, ready to style it, it doesn't matter when I use it, it's just oil, and it makes my hair look gross. I started at this top line right here at the beginning, and I am now down to here, but I've also been rotating with 2 other hair products for my project pans, so I'm not focusing on this. I think if I really put my mind to it, I could probably finish this up in the next month, so fingers crossed, because I really do not like that product. And another product I don't like because I'm a negative Nancy today. This is the Chia Hair Smoothing Oil by Trisola, and this same exact situation. It smells really good, but that's about it. This makes me look like I just stuck my head in a vat of butter. It is so greasy, so gross. It is very silicone based, so it gets that like slip to it. It's just not, it's not good. It's not cute. It doesn't absorb nothing, so I don't like it. At the intro, we were right about here, and now I am down to here. Not much progress. But again, I've been rotating between 3 different hair products. The next product that I had was the Urban Decay Quick Fix. This is the priming spray. I don't use this as a priming spray. I don't like priming sprays. I actually solely use this just to wet my brush for my eyeshadows and glitters and all that jazz. But doing that, I've made a ton of progress because your girl wears a lot of eyeshadow. So when we started, it was completely full all the way to the top, and I am literally down to here. So definitely made good progress, and this will be gone probably within the next couple of uses because it's pretty empty. The next product that I had is the bane of my existence. This is by Rimmel London. This is one of the Kate Moss lipsticks in the shade 41. When we started, I was right on this line here, and it looks like I haven't made any progress, but I actually have. This is where we're at now, so we're so close, and I think if I really focus on this, I will be able to use this up by Halloween. It's just such a creamy formula that you don't need very much. It's not like you have to load up on it. It's like a one swipe deal. That's a swatch of it. It's very pretty. It's a, you know, it's just not my type of pink anymore. I used to be into these pinks, not so much anymore, but yeah, it's just really difficult to get it to get used up just because of it's so creamy. I also had another product. I don't even have it over here right now. I had a Bath & Body Works Triple Moisture Body Cream in the big tubes in the scent Pure Paradise. That guy got misplaced by a certain child in my house. So I just recently found it and it got no use whatsoever. So instead I'm going to remove that out of this project and bring in something that I know I will get at least a little bit of use out of before Halloween. And I'm going to be replacing it, excuse me, with the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I got this in Sephora Play and it is still literally sealed. So I would like to get through this. I have used these up in the past. I don't really like this primer. It doesn't do much for me. The next two products are both highlighters, one of them for my face and one of them for my body. The first one that I have here is my NYX Illuminator in the shade Ritualistic. I actually have this on my chest and décolleté and my shoulders today. That's what I use this for primarily. I used to use it on my face, but I have so many highlighters with this exact tone. As you can see, I have considerable pan. I will try to insert a picture of what this looked like up in the screen if I can find it, but I've definitely expanded the pan. I have worn down the edge over on this side, and my goal is really just to use up right here if I can to hit side pan. And the other highlighter that I have is by Lancome, and this is one of the dual finish highlighters in the shade Sparkling Pesh. This one is so beautiful. It's actually what I'm wearing as a highlighter on my face today. It's such a pretty highlighter. It's not overly blingy, so you can see I have quite a bit of pan in there already, but I would like to extend and hit side pan over in this region. So hopefully I can get that done. You don't need very much of this. I just realized I did not put on inner corner highlight or brow bone highlight, so now I feel totally naked, and this is the second video I filmed today. Fantastic, Shai. Anyway, so that's the progress on that one. The next thing I had was an eyeliner by Ciate. This is the Ciate Wonder Wand. It's just a black liner. My goal was to wear it down to where the E in Ciate is. So we're getting there. We're very, very close, and this does need to sharpen. This actually irritates my eyes very, very badly if I use it in the waterline. This is kind of a pain in the butt to use. I do try to use it on my upper lash line, like on the lid if I can, but it is going a little bit slower because of that reason. Another eyeliner that I had in the project was by ColourPop. This was one of the gel cream liners in the shade Get Paid. It was a pretty rose gold copper eyeliner, and it is completely gone. So when we first started the project, I was right there, and it's gone. So I'm really excited about that. I did use this in my waterline on looks like today's, and it's beautiful. I do actually have a second one of these that is in progress now. I am gonna see if I can work on it a little bit. We're right there for this one. I didn't want to mark it because it'll fall out. But that's what we got left for this guy, and I want to see how much of this I can use up. My goal is not to use it completely up because I don't think I'll be able to. It's very, very creamy, but I will see how far I can get with it. Now, last but not least, we had an eyeshadow out of my Too Faced Christmas in New York palette, and I had chosen the shade Banana Date, which is like a off-white kind of peachy-ish cream color, and my goal was to hit pan. I will try again to insert a picture up right here, and this is where we are at now. So I not only have quite a bit of pan, it is very dipped in. This whole area is completely dipped in. That is the update for my 13 by Halloween project pan. Again, go check out all the girls down below. Give them love. They are all fantastic YouTubers, obviously. If they have grown their channels to be larger, they are a great channel. So go check them out. If you guys have come over, welcome. Thank you. Subscribe. I would love to have you. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.